Ovog vikenda proveli su veliku akciju i zaustavili ilegalnu utrku. Očito je da brzi i žestoki vozači nekako ne odustaju.
Može li policija riješiti ovaj problem? Primijenit ćemo svu svoju ovlast i mjere i radnje iz djelokruga rada kako bi spriječili organiziranje, planiranje, a nadam se i održavanje takvih ilegalnih utrka.
Cause you fucking with millionaires, big stars. Only cocking the grip will make our dicks hard. I come through when I handle my business like a goddamn menace. Niggas think I eat spinach cause you need a dentist. Whenever I finish, it's the Greenwich with a gang of lieutenants. West side! Connect Shine is the campaign. Niggas trying to run shit, pull a hamstring. I'ma do the damn thing, baby, do the damn thing. Damn, ass busting out in pants, I can't stand it. Read it like an animal planet. The kind of nigga that'll take Janet for granted. Ice Cube got the shit that you blew up on. Got a lawsuit at home. It's a shark in a swimming pool. Bad news coming through on them 22s, and I'm hunting you out. Little kids got to run in the house. I'm dirty like the South with a gun in your mouth.
And they getting their groove on in the front and in the back. To be exact, the cognac has got me tweaking, and I'm looking for a proper bitch so I can start speaking. I got game, plus I'm far from whack. Why is that? Cause that nigga AC Dog is a Mac. On this track, I provide my listeners with something they can bounce to, smoke an ounce.
Vjerojatno bi volio da ga zovu brzim i žestokim, ali zapravo mu bolje odgovara epitet mlad i nepromišljen.
Što biste vi njima poručili kao eto stariji iskusni kolega?
Smirite hormone.
So we can never play out. It's what California's about. Bringing the funk that make you bounce. Blaze up a whole ounce. Count drip, take it in your mouth. Trick, it's the road dogs, and we arrive. We up in the swamp, making it bump in the hump so you can ride.